Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for being here. I know you saw that title and you're trying to get summertime fine. Okay, I understand. I have been on a journey, so thank y'all for coming back. So we're gonna get into it. We're not gonna make this too long or nothing like that. So I'm doing the fruit fast. Okay, I'm doing the fruit fast. I fast from 6 p.m. to 12, 1 o'clock, somewhere up in there. So I pretty much be busy. How I got started doing that is because it just accidentally happened. So I didn't set out to say, oh, I'm gonna fast after I eat from 6 p.m. to 12 or 1 o'clock the next day. I just so happen to be busy, and that's when I usually have time to stop and eat, because by then I'm getting a little headache. So that's number one. Okay, I'm trying to explain this to you so you won't have any questions. Once you get off this video, I want you to be able to go out there and be successful. So that's number one. I eat what I like, okay? Because if it's not something that I like, I'm not gonna stick with it. Okay, let's just be real. Okay, I'm gonna go back to some stuff I ain't got no business eating. Oh, I gotta get comfortable. So okay, so that's number one. So what do I like? I like watermelon, I like cherries, I like let me look over here, oranges. Okay, so those are the things that I like naturally. Okay, so woo, excuse me. So I'm trying to think so I can be precise. So then I drink, like, I think this is like 16, 18, 20 ounces, you know, of the juice. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm lazy. All right, so I buy mine pre-made, not the ones that who got them? You know which ones in the store that sell green juice that's full of sugar. No, I buy some that's all natural, that's not processed or anything like that, because I am really busy. I work all 7 days of the week. So, and that's half of the problem, but we're not going to talk about that. Okay, so I drink the juice. Now, I stop when I'm satiated, not when I'm stuffed or anything like that. And what I did not know is this right here is on a cellular level, okay? I didn't know that at first. A cellular level means that it gets to, it gets up in your body. So you're gonna be fuller faster because it's getting to the cells. It's getting the cells that it needs, the nutrients. I didn't know that at first, because I was like, if I was eating a burger and fries, you know, I would need the whole thing to be full, but you're gonna get fuller faster because it gets in the cells and it gets the cells what it needs. Now, let me see if I have one out here. Hold on. These are the containers that I eat. You can see that there's some oranges still left. So that's about how much I eat. That thing was full, but I ate half of it. Okay, so that's it. But nah, stay to the end. I'm gonna give you the best gem. Make sure you watch to the end so you can actually know. Now, I'll stop eating, like I said, at 6. So I'll take that. I drink water, but you really don't need water because this is getting to your cells. And then again, I eat watermelon. Watermelon, I said I wasn't gonna tell y'all. Watermelon is the key, okay? Because you saw that title, right? Because that's why you're here. Make sure that at the end of the day, you have some watermelon, like a bowl full, not a cereal bowl or a mixing bowl full, but maybe, you know, just a regular sized bowl. Make sure that at the end of the day, you have that. Watermelon is a laxative. Can you hear me? Watermelon is a laxative, okay? Not a bad laxative where you go mess on yourself, okay? No, you ain't gonna mess on yourself, okay? But it is going, who is that called? Tell them to go away. It is going to clean you out, okay? So if you you know, got an hour lunch break and you at work and you eat watermelon, eat it at the beginning, because in the middle of your lunch break, you gonna be doing your business, okay? And that's like if you at work. So if you trying to get summertime fine, let me give you another little secret. You really can eat whatever you want, but you ain't hear that from me. Make sure you drink half. Hold on. Hold on. You see it? Okay, here go the watermelon juice. You see I done drunk half. Soon as I drunk that first half, pew, I was in the bathroom, okay? So, at the end of the night, before you go to bed, I'm gonna drink the rest of this. This is about 8 ounces to me, 9 ounces. I'm gonna finish it off. So, if you trying to, you know, lose some weight and you got an urge to be bad, make sure you drink 8 ounces of that at the end of the day or after that meal to get it out. I wish somebody would have dropped these gems on me like I'm dropping, because nobody told me that watermelon was a laxative, okay? Because I lost my first 35 pounds on my own. Now that I'm getting into this fruit, now if you want me to make a video about that, y'all just comment there below. Yeah, nobody told me about that. I had to experience that on my own. And then I was talking to one of my other friends, you know, they've been not fasting, but they've been doing the fruit diet for 62 days. And then I was telling them, like, hey, I'm eating a lot less, not on purpose. And that's when they was like, you know, you're eating on a cellular level, so that's what happens. And then watermelon, you probably already know this, but it's H3O. So you really don't have to drink any water, because watermelon is water and melon. So I'm just experimenting, and I was just thrilled to lose 3 pounds in one day. And the trick to it is, girl, I'm pointing like you can see. That's that watermelon. Make sure you drink 8 ounces. If you're gonna be bad and eat something you probably shouldn't, and you don't want to feel guilty, 8 ounces, okay? 8 ounces of water. Make sure you comment and subscribe. We are make sure you hit comment blue to let me know that you stayed to the end, because you really fuck with your girl, okay? I probably shouldn't say it there. I'm out. Y'all have a good night. Peace.